Welcome to our today's lesson, and my name is Michael Mondiki, and I'm going to take you through moving some components of our computer system. And before you do that, you have to ensure that your system unit is disconnected from the power supply. So here is our system unit. Here's our system unit that we're going to use. And as you can see, we have the back side, whereby you connect the power, and the road side, and then we have the side covers. So first what you do, you ensure that you open the screws of the link. After you've done that, you open the lid, raise it, the side, and as you can see, now we have our system unit, the inner part of it. You have all the components inside. So what you do, because you want first to remove the power supply unit. The power supply unit has several cables, power cables, which are connected to various components of the computer system. So first, what you do, you ensure that all the cables are unplugged from the various components. So first you unplug all the power cables. And now we have our power supply cables disconnected. Then from the side, from the back side, you unscrew you have removed all the screws. Now you are ready to take out your power supply unit. So this is the power supply unit. You have the cables, the power supply cables that supplies the power to the system unit, and we have the fan. We have the fan which helps in cooling the power supply unit, and we have the connectors that connect the power from the power source to the power supply unit. So yeah, this is the power supply unit, and this is how you take it. Ensure that you don't cut or place it on top of any other component, or rather on top of the cables, or rather the SATAs. So you place it carefully like that. And after you pressed it, then you pick your screws. Ensure that you place the screws in the right place. So if you are done with that, get back inside. Ensure that all the power cables are connected back to the system, various system components. So that's all for this lesson, and please ensure that you have subscribed, commented, and liked the video. Thank you.